Hi, I'm Scott with Window Cleaning Warehouse, and today we're going to have a look at the Unger Black Series, which is the new limited edition range from Unger. This is the Black Series starter kit, so we're going to take a look at what's in the box. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice is the black bucket printed with the Unger Black Series logo. This is similar to the Ergotech range. It's an 18-litre bucket, and we have the tools inside. So first thing is the T-bar and washer. Now this is the Ergotech T-bar, so it's comfortable in your hand and it fits on the Unger locking cone here, obviously in the Unger Black Series colours. And this is an all-new microfiber washer, which is 20% more absorbent than previous Unger washers. Now to pop that onto the T-bar, you just undo the Velcro, slide it in, and you can Velcro over. And there's actually a little elastic sleeve in here which will hold it in place. Okay, next thing is the squeegee. Now this will come in two pieces. So first of all is the Ergotech handle in the Black Series colours, and you'll notice the limited edition Black Series label here. Again, comfortable in your hand, and it'll lock into place on the locking cone for the Unger poles. And then we have the stainless steel channel, again printed with the Black Series logo. And this is something that is brand new. This is the Unger green rubber. Now this is an all-season rubber. It's been made specifically for this kit. It's had some really good reviews so far, so we're excited to see how that gets on. And then finally we have the Unger Power Liquid. So this is an all-new formula, and this is designed to help your window squeegee glide across the glass. Particularly this green one here has been designed to use together, and this is 1 litre. You can dilute that 1 litre to every 100 litres in your bucket. Finally, we've got the sieve and squeegee holder, which just clip into place on the bucket here, and you can use those interchangeably or one on either side. Okay, so that's just a quick look at what's in the Unger Black Series starter kit. And this is a limited edition kit, so it's going to be available while stocks last. Check out our website for more information.